Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Welcome all of you. Thank you very much. What everyone is looking for. Just for some time, think and try to answer yourself. What everyone is looking for in their life. Is it money? Is that everybody is looking for money, cash, rupees, dollars? That may not be the truth. They are not looking really for money. If they are looking for money, even the crore-patis, lakh-patis, still unhappy. Still they want more and more money. They are not satisfied with it. So, they are not looking for money. Is it? People are looking for a good spouse. Girl is looking for a good boy. Boy is looking for a good girl. Is it so? Not really. If it is so, youngest, all beautiful girls, boys who became a couples, they are still taking divorce. They are still unhappy. No satisfaction. They are fed up with the partner. Yes, so this is the truth. Everyone in the life, they are looking for the love. All we need is love. All we need is love, prema, kadal. In the life, really everybody is looking for the love. If they don't find loved ones, even though they have all riches, all facilities, all money, all famous, still they are unhappy because they are not finding anyone who is trustworthy, whom they can love, from whom they can receive the love. Everybody is looking for that love. All we need is love. But just once again, let us ponder on this. We are all searching for the love, right? That is very truth. We are searching for the right thing, but unfortunately, but in a wrong place. We are not searching in a right place. If you go to library, ask the librarian, what is the train timings from Mumbai to Kolkata, from Mumbai to Hyderabad? You are asking for right thing, what you want, but that is not a right place. Maybe engineering student who has completed his MBBS. What is the formula for integration of df of dy? It's a completely, you may be wanting the right answer, you may be asking the right question, but in the wrong place to the wrong person. So we are searching for right thing, that is love, but in the wrong place in the world. Somebody searching for the love in a beautiful young body, in opposite sex. That is not fulfilling really. Somebody is looking for that love, happiness in money. That is not really satisfying. And differently, we clearly understand. That's very matured, well established in their life. People who are working in a big companies with so much amount of salaries, still they have committed suicide and they have given up their jobs, taken up spiritual life. Actually, the spiritual life is the one which is the right place for this right thing. But unfortunately, we are searching for that right thing, which is love, happiness, in a wrong place. Just like, mouse, it searches food in the dustbin. I'm not saying, of course, we are running in a rat race, but we are not rats. We are human beings. We should be intelligent enough to find what we want in the right place. We should know what is available where. So in this world, if we are looking happiness, love, in the money, in the naked beauty of a woman, famous, popularity, post, position, it is just like a searching in a dustbin for the good grains. Rat may get it, but it is not fully satisfying. We may get some happiness in searching in wrong place in this world. We may get some happiness, some love in money, famous, prestige, but that is not really suiting to the heart. It is creating a lot of troubles, confusion. That's why we get confused. What I am asking, where I am asking. Clashes, relationship clashes, dissatisfaction in the heart, breakups of the relationships, frustration, divorce, suicides, even murders. So what is the right place to search for happiness? That is spiritual life. If anybody surrenders to Sri Krishna, Sri Radha Madhava at their lotus feet, Krishna is the source of all the happiness. If anybody takes shelter of his lotus feet, taking his darshan daily and surrendering to him, chanting the holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. By that process, one can really experience that eternal happiness and love. Hare Krishna. Let us not waste our time in searching in rotten dustbin for the happiness and the love, for what we are always anxious for. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Radha Madhav ki Jai. Jagadguru Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.